This is the Masse shot, a flashy yet useful skill in the game of pool that consists of hitting the cue ball at an elevated angle, causing it to move in a curving motion. And I want to learn how to do it. I guess the only thing left to do is to get started. I was playing pool the other day and ran into this situation. So the goal today is to make this 3 times in a row by curving the cue ball. The key here is to aim just past the ball that I want it to go around. Then by hitting the cue ball on the side that I want it to curve toward, I should see it start moving in that direction. So like with any new skill, my first couple of attempts were terrible. I mean, it wasn't even going in the direction that I wanted it to, but that's when I realized, unfortunately, I was missing one crucial part of this entire skill, the chalk. If you don't have it, it just slips off and the ball goes off in any direction, but with chalk, you can actually control what the cue ball is doing. I mean, it did something. So now that I knew it was possible, it was time to get dialed in and start focusing on our challenge of getting it 3 times in a row. This is when I started to feel confident. I was able to get 1 with ease. I knew the aiming structure, I knew what I was doing, and when I moved on to number 2, I felt the same way. So number 3 was inevitable, and then it wasn't. And sure, there was disappointment, but all that meant was I needed more practice. So we practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced and practiced until finally we started to get somewhere. All right, back with day 2. Now yesterday we were able to get the ball across the table in a curving motion, and I got that way faster than I thought I would. So today I set up one more challenge. Today I have all 3 balls on the railing of the table. And we're gonna see how difficult it is to just get this ball to move in an actual curving motion up and over the 9, strike the 5 into the pocket. I wanna get it 3 times in a row, and then we've accomplished it. Nope. So because I needed more curve on the ball, I had to add more elevation to the cue, which meant that switching from a closed bridge to an open bridge turned out to work quite a bit better. There's 1. There's 1. There's 2. That's 3. We're done.